We're putting our mask because we're afraid of coronavirus. Our layover is in Hong Kong, and from Hong Kong we go all the way to Barcelona. We will go to Barcelona to attend the first presidency meeting of the UCLG World. We will go to Barcelona to attend the first presidency meeting of the UCLG World.
One eternity later.
Now we've been traveling for about 16 hours to be exact. 2 hours from Manila to Hong Kong, and then our layover was in Hong Kong for how many hours? For 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours, and then from Hong Kong to Barcelona, that's 14 hours, all for the love of Iriga. Yeah, we're sitting at economy. As you can see, we have a very small leg room, but it's okay. Still good. You'll see Barcelona later on. See ya.
7 hours later.
Hi, at last. We're landing. Our pilot said, cabin crew, prepare for landing. Finally, we get to see Barcelona. What can you say? Hello. Palagi na lang hello. Palagi na lang hello. See ya. Right now, we're at UCLG World main office in Barcelona to attend the first presidential meeting called by our president, Mayor Madel of Morocco. Let's go! Let's go!
I just want to share my experience. I'm a dreamer, and I thank God for giving me all those dreams, for approving me and giving me all those dreams. I never expected that I would be talking to the President of Morocco. And when I was younger, I said, hopefully I can meet the Mayor of Barcelona. And apparently I met her, and she's very pretty. I never expected to be meeting all of you. But all I can say is admiration, because you are all humble. You're also low-key, low profile. And imagine how busy the Mayor of Barcelona, and yet she's still here to be with us, the same with the Mayor of Morocco. So the only thing that I can share is admiration, because you are all here after the social drama. We are all here to be united and cooperate. And then imagine you spend your own money just to be here. You spend for your car, for your transportation, for your home. It's so generous of everyone to be united and cooperate, fighting to make a difference in the world. There's one thing I've learned. They said you have to go out of the box in order for you to be different. But however, there's a new system wherein once you found the box, you have to go inside the box and learn to follow you and go deeper. Because someday we will indeed make a difference. So right now I am so anxious and pressing enough to make a difference, because I really want to make a mark. And hopefully someday when we look back, we can say we did well, we did something for the country and for the entire world. We have so many disasters right now, international disasters in Manila. When we went home from Durban, after a week, we were visited with one super typhoon, actually. We were hitting 260 kilometers per hour, and it just so happened that the eye of the typhoon hits our city. It's only our city. I don't know why. Maybe the typhoon hits us very much. But you know, we have to prove to the people that we are resilient, and luckily we have zero casualty during the time. I really want to focus more on disaster and gender equality. And I can say that the president, please use me, because you know God has chosen us to do something for the country and for the environment. We have Iran and US going on, and hopefully we can also help. And probably we have to encourage all the cities to be united as one to make a difference for the entire world. So hopefully, even a small city as Iriga can also help the entire world and the entire UCLG world. I see all the beauty inside of everyone. You all have a kind heart and a soft spot for the entire country and for the entire world. So I know you want to make a difference. So we are all here united as one. Thank you very much.
UCLG is our family of mayors, and I hope that all the citizens will support UCLG.
Yes.
What can you say to Iriga?
Say hi to Iriga.
Hi, people of Iriga. We love you.
Yay! I am with my new favorite champion, the mayor of Iriga. She's the mayor of the world.
Yeah.
And we're going to work together for decent life.
Hello to the people of Iriga. It's wonderful to be here with your mayor and UCLG as we work to make our cities and our regions around the world stronger, including in your own country, Philippines. Thank you for sharing her with us.
People of Iriga, I'm really happy that I'm here in Barcelona with the mayor, a great mayor, and we are working together for the UCLG, the network of cities of the world, and we have and we work very well together.
Hello, mga Danish po. Kumusta po kayo? You must be proud of your mayor, Madel, kasi you are the first member of the
UCLG World.
Kaya po, ipagmalaki po natin ang ating mayor. At marami po tayo mga dapat gawin para sa Iriga, ako po si Consul Chona Arieta Sinorio, and I live in Barcelona. I am the Honorary Consul of the Republic of the Philippines in Barcelona, Spain. And welcome po. I hope to see you here. Bye, guys.
A few moments later.
This is the road going to Sagrada Familia. We will be walking 2.5 kilometers. Sana tumagal po ako.
James Bond, the new James Bond, and Mr. Kazan.
Mr. Kazan, I'm Mr. Yura. He's Mr. Kazan now.
Okay. Hello.
Greetings to Riga.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. From CM City.
Hello, how are you? Riz.
The princess.
Princess, yes. You're the queen.
Well, tell Putin you're the new boss.
There you go.
We're at the airport right now and we're leaving for the Philippines. Balik na po kami sa trabaho, reality. Yan po. J-Lo!